Alright, welcome back fam. Today I'll be talking about file headers, so just read that. Can you fix the file? And then there's some hex code beneath that. Looks like hex, right? So I'm gonna first try to open picture.png normally with a normal picture viewer. And when we open it, it says that we don't support this file format. So the file is damaged. So how are we gonna fix it? I suspect there's a problem with the file header because it provided us with some hex. So either the file extension is wrong or the file is damaged in some way that the photo viewer cannot read it like a normal PNG file. So we're gonna open it with HXD, a hex editor. And it says subscribe now at the top, so I think there's clearly something wrong with it. We're gonna replace the top part with the hex that was provided, or if we can also look at this example working PNG file, and we can copy the file header from here. So just gonna copy it, and it matches exactly what is the hex provided. So we know now that it's the PNG file header. So we're going to replace the file header. Alright, the file header has been replaced and we save the file. Now we close HXD. And we're going to try opening the file normally. So we go back to File Explorer, and we see, then we click on the picture, it works. Now if you haven't subscribed yet, I would appreciate if you smack the subscribe button. So the lesson from today is that file extensions don't really mean anything. They don't force a file to be that particular file type. So let's say just having a file extension by the name PNG doesn't force it to be a picture. It just tells the computer what program to use to open that file so that us as humans can read the data, maybe a picture or maybe just text. So you can change the file extensions to anything you want. So I can change the PNG file to a JPEG file, and when I try to open it, because the computer thinks it's a JPEG file, but when it reads the data, it doesn't read it as a JPEG, so it cannot open it. That's why when we edit the file header, the file is called damaged. So that's when the picture that tries to open it, and it thinks that it isn't a PNG file, even though it has opened it because of the PNG file extension, simply because of the damaged file header. Alright, that's it for today. Thanks for watching and please subscribe. Oh, and by the way, if you don't subscribe, Loy Liang Yang will come do the hacks on you. So yeah, must be scared of Loy Liang Yang, right?